Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss the 11th identity, the last identity for class 9. This identity is a condition identity and this identity work on a condition. So this identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, means sum of the cube of a 3 term, it is always equals to 3 times of a abc. If the condition is a plus b plus c equals to 0, it means this identity you can use if this condition of a plus b plus c is equal to 0 satisfied. Otherwise, this identity cannot be used. Let us discuss the proof of this identity. For proving this identity, we will use the previous identity, the 10th identity, which is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. In this identity, the first factor was a plus b plus c. The other factor is a square, b square, c square, minus ab, minus bc, and minus ca. Now condition is given in the identity, which is a plus b plus c equals to 0. So we'll substitute the value of a plus b plus c 0 on right hand side. So when we substitute this value on the right hand side, 0 is multiplied with this whole expression a square, b square, c square, minus ab, minus bc, and minus ca. And you will get the value of right hand side 0. And this 3 times of abc will be shifted to right hand side, and we will prove the identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3 times of abc with the condition is that a plus b plus c is equals to 0. So this is an important identity to understand, where we have to use the condition. If the condition is satisfied, only then this identity is applicable, otherwise it is not applicable. Let us discuss some problems related to this identity. Now here this is the problem. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Now in this problem here, in the first part, it is minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. It is given. We will not find their cube and we are not going to add and subtract. We have to use identity. Let us see how we do it. If you compare this question first part with the identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, value of a is minus 12, b is 7, and c is equals to 5. So as I already told you, we will use identity if it satisfies the condition. Let us satisfy the condition first. Here minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, it is equals to 0. It means minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube, it is equals to 3 times of abc. Value of a is minus 12, b is 7, and c is 5. By multiplying them, we get minus 1260. Let us try the second problem. In this problem, we have a 28 cube minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. And let us verify this identity first. It is a plus b plus c. Is it 0 or not? Here a is 28, b is minus 15, c is minus 13. By finding their sum, we get 0. It means the factors, that is 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube, it is equals to 3 times of abc. A is 28, b is minus 15, and c is minus 15. And by multiplying them, we get 16,380. Now here we have a third problem related to this identity. 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 3 cube minus 5 by 6 cube. Here a is 1 by 2, b is 1 by 3, and c is minus 5 by 6. Let us check a plus b plus c, which is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6. By taking LCM and solving it, we get 0. It means we'll use this identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3 times of abc. So we get 3 times of a is 1 by 2, b is 1 by 3, and c is minus 5 by 6. And here this 3 cancels with the 3. And finally we get the result minus 5 upon 12. Now this identity very useful in factorization problem. Let us discuss few problems on the factorization. This is the first problem. X minus 3y whole cube plus 3y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. Now here we just identify ABC first. Value of a is x minus 3y, b is 3y minus z, and c is z minus x. And let us satisfy the condition a plus b plus c, x minus 3y plus 3y minus z plus z minus x. And if you observe here, this x cancel, y cancel, and z, all the terms has been cancelled here, and we get sum a plus b plus c is equals to 0. And the required factors, it would be 3 times of a, b, c. Let us discuss another problem. In this problem, we have a p cube, q minus r whole cube, plus q raised to power 3 r minus p cube, r cube into p minus q raised to power 3. Let us compare with our entry. We get the value of a, p times over q minus r, b is q times of r minus p, c is equals to r times of p minus q. And let us check the value of a plus b plus c. P times over q minus r plus q times of r minus p plus r times over p minus q. By multiplying and solving it further, we get 0. It means we can use identity, and the required factor will be 3 times of abc. Here a is p times of q minus r, b is q times of r minus p, and c is equals to r times of p minus q. P, q are multiplied together, and other factors are q minus r minus p, and p minus q. Let us try another problem. In this problem, we'll satisfy the condition again. I am considering capital A square minus b square, capital B and capital C because small abc already has been used. Let us satisfy a plus b plus c, which is 0. And the required factors are 3 times of a square minus b square minus c square, and c square minus a square. And we get 3 times of a plus b. Further, we'll factorize this term a square minus b square by using identity, b square minus c square by using identity, and c square minus a square by using identity. We get these factors. Let us discuss another problem. Here we have to simplify a square minus b square whole cube plus b square minus c square whole cube plus c square minus a square whole cube. And in denominator we have a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. For solving the numerator separately here, it will follow in the same way as we have discussed the previous problem. We get 3 times of a plus b, a minus b, b minus c, c minus c, and c plus a. As far as denominator is concerned, we satisfy the condition and their sum is 0. So the required factors are 3 times of a minus b, b minus c, and c plus c minus a. By substituting the value in the given question, few terms will be cancelled out, a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a cancelled. Overall your answer is 3 times of a plus b, b plus c, and c plus a. These are some practice problems related to this identity. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video.